Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I want to tell you about these screen protectors for iPhone by UniqueMe. I recently upgraded my phone to the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I had to get these screen protectors because I'm always dropping my phone. And they were very easy to install. I was able to install it within just a couple minutes. I really like that this pack comes with 4 pieces with 2 protectors just for the screen, but I also like that it comes with a glass protector for the camera lenses in the back. I also like that with these protectors you can use your phone case without any problem. It doesn't interfere with you having a case on your phone, so that is very convenient. So if you're looking to protect your phone screen or the camera lenses on your phone, I really recommend these protectors, and that is my point of view.